14, 15. I do run. Well, I don't run. Me and my boys, we do a podcast. And my part of the podcast is about fitness.
Yeah.
And my way of thinking of fitness is that all men need to work out. Because it builds like, not like an alpha, what most of us want to be like that, but it builds that testosterone where you want to do better. Like you want to inspire, you want to make more money, you want to look good, you want to do better at your job, you want to excel in life.
Yeah.
The testosterone.
Lifting.
So with that being said, one of the top G's, you know Top G.
Oh yeah. They
got rid of him, and the main thing that they ain't like about him was because he believed in working out and being in shape, and then when you look a certain way, you got enough money, you can do, you know, you can be the man that you want to be.
Believed in masculinity.
Why you think that they trying to take down men trying to work out and trying to live the best life that they can and trying to be, you know, be men?
I think it's a lot how people are nowadays. You know, it's a lot bigger than just working out. And of course, you know, people that dislike Andrew Tate specifically, they see it more as they don't like that, you know, how men are masculine or whatever. You know, they don't like that.
Yeah.
But you know, at the end of the day, it's something that is just becoming a thing of how social media has become, and it's just whatever the social media is portraying or giving out. That's exactly what it's going to be. Because if you go up and ask anybody that say they don't like Andrew Tate or whatever he shoots out, they won't have a reason for it.
It makes no sense at times. It's like the main goal was he wanted men to be in, you know, in shape.
Oh yeah.
And make money and do this and that. Why was that? I don't understand why that's such a hated on.
It's because they look at everything bad. They don't look at the good.
Well, my theory is, since working out, you could probably be a witness to this.
Yeah.
Since working out, testosterone goes up. Testosterone goes up, you start becoming a stronger man, not just physically, but mentally.
Oh yeah.
You have more of a drive.
100%.
So my theory is, if you have a bunch of men that know what they want to do and are strong at certain things and they want to be leaders, they're gonna want to rebel against a lot of stuff that probably the government puts in or probably how they want the agenda to go to. They don't want a bunch of men to act like men.
Yeah, well, nowadays they want men to be, you know, soft and caring. Not so much caring, but they want them to be soft and, you know, it's okay to ball up and not do anything with your life.
Yeah.
Because working out's a lot more than just, you know, lifting weight and putting muscle on. And of course, I didn't know that until I actually started doing it. You know, it was I didn't really realize that until about a year down the line. And when I look back at everything I had going on in my life, and then I compare it to now especially, and it's brought me, you know, connections. It's brought me so much more than just putting on a little bit of muscle.
Right.
And I think that was way more important, you know, because it showed me kind of what you were talking about.
Yeah.
You know, about men being, you know, masculine, taking control of their, you know, ideas and their life and leadership. Because I mean, I'm full-heartedly with that. Yeah. You know.
Because I felt the difference when I was when I was sick and I was small, didn't really lift weights a lot. My mind was cloudy. I didn't know what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
It's like not like lost, but it was close to that. Like I was like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
As soon as I started lifting weights, it's like, man, I can do this business, and I can make money this way, and it just automatically like clicked. Like I didn't even have to worry about it. I woke up in the morning like, yo, let's get this, let's do this. But I didn't think that way when I didn't have, you know, my muscle on. I won't take care of myself.
Yeah, that's how it was for me the longest time. You know, before I started lifting, like I had an idea, like, oh, you know, I could do this, I could do that, but they were just there were these dreams I had that were, you know, that were so far out, and that were unrealistic because I wasn't doing anything about them. And then once I started going to the gym, and then I started enjoying the gym and the process of it, and then I saw how it changed me mentally. It was like every day since 2 years ago, I've been on the same exact track that I've been on, and it hasn't gone away. The only thing that's changed is that I'm adding more on top of what I'm doing.
Makes sense. Exactly. Cause that testosterone, you're feeling your purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. I like that. I like that. All right, so we're gonna do our last workout. We'll get up out of here, man. We chopped it up a lot. We gave y'all some knowledge, gave y'all some skill. We'll do our last one. One of my favorites. Overhead extensions. We did last time when we did arm day. Overhead extensions. Woo. I love it. Need overhead extensions. Skull crushers over and over and over again. So we're gonna do 3 sets. We're gonna knock it out. We do 3 sets to failure. We're gonna do as many as we can until you can't do no more. 3 sets. We're gonna get up out of here.